I thought, how hard could this be? Motorcycles, clothing, art, food coming together in one place. Everything we do from our heart here. We know what it is, we know what we're talking about, and I think it's very important. I'm Dare Jennings. I'm the president and founder of Deus Ex Machina. In 2005, I think we opened here in Camperdown. We opened our first Deus store. It's retail, we build motorbikes, do stuff with bicycles, and a big part of this was to have food and beverage so that when people came here, they would have a reason to go out of their way to come here. We wanted it to be in close proximity to the store and the garage and all those things, but we wanted it to be a restaurant that could stand on its own 2 feet. It's been great because people come here, they're not motorcyclists, but they quite enjoy the ambiance that's created by that sort of activity, and the restaurant works really well. The places that we open become central to a community. And it doesn't matter where you are, in Milan or in Sydney, people relate to the things that we're doing. They want to belong, they want to get excited about new things that we're doing and participate in it. Deus is like a seed you can plant in different soils and different environments, and according to that soil and environment is the way that it will grow. Our head chef is a Japanese guy whose name is Takeshi. He rides an old 1942 WLA Harley. We couldn't have designed a better person. He's fantastic. He's a really great part of the story. We love being Australian. I think, one of the whole ways that we've been able to build this business is because we are quintessentially Australian. We can just make things up as we go along. And a lot of the cultures that we deal with are really envious of this way, that we're not totally locked into any way of being. We can actually do whatever we want. That was the fun part, you challenging people's preconceived ideas about what you should and shouldn't do. When people first come in here, the first thing they see is a fully functioning workshop where we are building motorcycles. And that's become an integral part of what we've tried to achieve. I'm an avid motorcyclist. It suggests romance, freedom, all of those things. And it really surprised me when we first opened here, just how excited people got about this idea of what is essentially dicking around with motorbikes. It's very strange that how people relate to it. It just becomes something that they really care about.